Woodworking is an art form. It transforms raw timber into beautiful, functional pieces of art. Precision is paramount in this intricate craft. Every cut, every joint must be meticulously accurate. Without precision, projects lose their structural integrity and strength. They can also look unprofessional and unfinished. Imagine crafting a stunning table from scratch. You envision a seamless tabletop with no visible flaws. You want legs that join flawlessly to the frame, ensuring stability. This is where precision tools become absolutely indispensable. This is where the magic of a doweling jig comes in. A doweling jig is an ingenious tool for woodworkers. It guides you in drilling perfectly aligned holes. These holes house dowels. Dowels add strength and stability to joints, making them robust. They are like hidden reinforcements that elevate your woodworking from ordinary to extraordinary. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of doweling jigs. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, this guide will empower you with knowledge. You'll learn how to achieve professional quality results in your woodworking projects. Doweling jigs are essential for any woodworker. These handy tools are designed to help you achieve precision and strength in your woodworking projects. They provide accuracy and strength, ensuring that your joints are not only strong but also perfectly aligned. They make it easy to create strong and seamless joints, which are crucial for the durability and aesthetics of your projects. Dowel joints are used in countless woodworking projects, from simple DIY tasks to complex furniture making. They are found in everything from furniture to cabinets, providing a reliable method for joining pieces of wood. Imagine trying to drill perfectly aligned holes by hand. It would be a painstaking and often frustrating process. It would be incredibly difficult, and even a small misalignment can compromise the entire joint. Leading to weak and unstable structures. This is where a doweling jig shines. It acts as a guide, ensuring your dowel holes are perfectly aligned every time. It acts as a guide, taking the guesswork out of the equation and allowing you to focus on the craftsmanship. It ensures your dowel holes are perfectly aligned every time, which is essential for creating strong and durable joints. There are many types of doweling jigs available, each designed to meet different needs and preferences. Some are simple and affordable, perfect for beginners or those on a budget. Others are more complex and expensive, offering additional features for advanced woodworkers. The best doweling jig for you will depend on your needs and budget. It's important to choose one that fits your specific requirements. We will explore the different types of doweling jigs, helping you find the perfect one for your workshop. You can find the perfect one for your workshop, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. No matter which doweling jig you choose, the benefits are clear. You can create strong, precise joints that will stand the test of time. You can create strong, precise joints, ensuring the longevity and quality of your woodworking projects. Your woodworking projects will look professional, with joints that are both strong and aesthetically pleasing. Doweling jigs are a game changer for woodworkers of all skill levels, making it easier to achieve professional results. Selecting the right doweling jig is crucial. This tool is indispensable for creating strong, precise joints in your woodworking projects. It can make or break your woodworking projects. A poorly chosen jig can lead to misaligned joints, which can compromise the integrity and aesthetics of your work. With a plethora of options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From different brands to various features, the choices can be daunting. Fear not, we're here to guide you through the selection process. By understanding your needs and the features of different jigs, you can make an informed decision. First, consider the type of woodworking projects you undertake. Are you crafting small, intricate items or building large, sturdy furniture? Do you primarily work on small crafts or large furniture pieces? The scale of your projects will influence the size and capacity of the doweling jig you need. Smaller jigs are perfect for delicate work, while larger jigs are better suited for big, robust pieces. Next, examine the features offered by different models. Adjustable bushings are essential. They allow you to work with various dowel sizes, expanding your creative possibilities. This flexibility can be a game changer, especially if you work on diverse projects. Look for jigs with clear markings and scales. These features ensure precise alignment and depth control, resulting in flawless joints. Durability is paramount. A durable jig will withstand the test of time and the rigors of frequent use. Choose a jig crafted from robust materials like hardened steel or aluminum. These materials are known for their strength and longevity. These materials can withstand the rigors of woodworking, providing long-lasting performance. Finally, consider your budget. While it might be tempting to go for the cheapest option, investing in a quality jig can save you money in the long run. Doweling jigs are available at various price points. It's best to invest in the highest quality jig your budget allows. A good jig will offer better performance and durability. It's best to invest in the highest quality jig your budget allows. A good doweling jig will pay for itself over time with its precision, ease of use, and the professional results it delivers. A good doweling jig will pay for itself over time with its precision, ease of use, and the professional results it delivers. Happy woodworking! Before you embark on your dowel joining adventures, gather the necessary tools and materials. This preparation step is crucial for ensuring that your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Having everything organized and within reach can save you a lot of time and frustration. Having everything at your fingertips ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. It allows you to focus on the task at hand without unnecessary interruptions. First and foremost, you'll need a reliable cordless drill. This tool is indispensable for creating the holes that will house your dowels. Opt for a drill with adjustable clutch settings. This feature allows you to fine-tune the torque, giving you better control over the drilling process. This allows you to control the drilling depth and prevent damage to your workpiece. Proper depth control is essential for creating strong, precise joints. A set of high-quality drill bits is crucial. These bits come in various sizes and are designed to make clean, accurate holes. These bits are specifically designed for drilling clean, accurate holes for your dowels. Investing in good drill bits can make a significant difference in the quality of your work. Speaking of dowels, stock up on various sizes. Having a range of sizes available will allow you to choose the perfect fit for each specific project. Dowel sizes are typically denoted in fractions of an inch. This makes it easier to select the right size for your needs. Common sizes include 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. These sizes are versatile and can be used in a variety of woodworking projects. Having an assortment ensures you're prepared for any project. Whether you're working on a small craft or a large piece of furniture, you'll have the right dowel size on hand. Wood glue is the adhesive that will bond your dowel joints together. It's important to choose a glue that is strong and durable. Choose a high-quality wood glue specifically formulated for strength and durability. This will ensure that your joints hold up over time. Clamps are essential for applying even pressure to your joints while the glue dries. They help to keep the pieces aligned and ensure a strong bond. Lastly, a tape measure, pencil, and safety glasses are indispensable tools for accurate marking and safe woodworking practices. These basic tools are essential for any woodworking project, ensuring precision and safety.